Hey there friends, it's Hillary of Creative Faith, and today I have a brand new Creative Faith cuttable. Creative Faith cuttables are the printable kits available in my Etsy shop, and this one is called Oh Happy Day. It is based on the Book of Lamentations, and I am so excited to show you guys kind of what comes in the kit. Right now it is on sale, so this video is being posted on Saturday, May 11th. I think is the day. And the sale is going to go through Monday, May 13th, and when you buy it, it's 10% off, and you also get 4 pages, not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 pages of free patterned paper. Well, that's only good if you purchase it through Monday, May 13th, 2019. I might have the 4 pages of pattern paper available separately. I'm not sure yet, so we will wait and see on that. But you'll definitely want to pick it up while the sale's happening, and the pattern papers are beautiful. I love how they turned out, but I'm not going to show you because I want it to be a surprise for the ladies who purchase beforehand. So this devotion, kind of had it all nicely laid out. This is the devotion. It is 2 traveler's notebook sized pages, and it is titled Oh Happy Day. It's kind of based on, like I said, the Book of Lamentations, and thinking about how we have new mercies every morning, how no matter what dark and stormy and challenging time or season we're in, that good days are around the corner, they're coming, and that we are surrounded by God and His faithfulness and His hope and the new life that He gives us. So this is what the devotion looks like. And I am all about helping you guys with Bible journaling, and I don't want you guys to see all of them, but the kit comes with 6 going deeper questions. In all my devotion kits, whether they're a freebie or in my shop, I have 6, like between 4 to 6 questions to help you guys get started Bible journaling. I feel like sometimes it can be hard to know where to start, what to write about, what to draw, what to illustrate. And so I have some really awesome prompts and verses to help you dive in deeper to this theme. For me, you guys, yes, it's fun to have beautiful images in our Bibles, but it's so much better to go deeper into scripture. And so that's why all my kits are really scripture based, and I just pour a lot of time and prayer and energy into giving you guys great devotion content, and so that is something really important to me. So you have your going deeper questions. I also have 2 traveler's notebook pages. This one I'm excited about because this is how I had designed it to be, with the sun on the bottom, but you could also totally flip it around and the sun could be on the top shining down. And so this is a space for you guys to take notes, to write out scripture. I love the kind of sketchy lines that I used, and I actually created this watercolor background, which I think is so beautiful. For the clouds, it's the blue, and then the orangey pink for the sun. So this is kind of an awesome little versatile sheet for you to take notes. And then Great is Thy Faithfulness is an awesome hymn that is kind of mentioned in the devotion and stuff. And so this gives you a spot to write out the lyrics. I love worship music. I love hymns. There's a lot of power in song. And so I think it's neat for us to get to look at some different songs. There's 3 songs total that I mention in this kit. And you could listen to them and write out their lyrics. But if you wanted to use this page for something else, you could cover the top with a cloud or with a phrase. So if you wanted to use this to write about something else, you could of course do that. Next, I want to talk about these little guys. I'm really excited about these. This kind of stitched look was inspiration from a previous kit I did called Embrace Love, and I'll link that kit down below. And also this kit will be linked down below too in my Etsy shop. And so I took inspiration and I made these kind of stitched Polaroid-ish pictures. That's kind of what I was going with. I have a Polaroid printer and I love using those images in my traveler's notebooks. And so what I thought would be cool though is to use some of the phrases and cut them out, and most of them fit perfectly in that little spot. So you guys can cut out this little phrase and stick it down below. And so I was really excited about that. So you have a gray and an orange one. And then I gave you guys tons of phrases for this one. I just couldn't stop thinking of phrases. So there's verses and things to start out prayers, pieces of the scripture, so you guys can use these in your journaling. Then I have some hand-lettered phrases, and some of them are black and white, and some of them are orange. Kind of trying to sort through all the images. So you have this one that says hope. Then you have Oh Happy Day. I did it in orange because orange and yellow to me are colors that just scream joy. So I did an orange one, but I also did a black one. And then this one says New Life. Great is Thy faithfulness. I'm surrounded by you, because no matter what storm we are going through, we're surrounded by God. And then faithfulness. Then these are 3 little circle spots that I thought would be great to write a verse in, or write a little mini prayer, or write pieces of the song lyrics. And I thought it would be really cool, you could layer the clouds behind it if you wanted to, so it kind of looks almost like the sun, the orange one at least. And then these could be circles, but they could also represent the moon for darkness. So I'm really excited to use these. I was kind of inspired. Jillian over at Hello Jilski did a traveler's notebook page where she used 3 circles, and I'll link that video down below. And she kind of had 3 little titles on her page, and so I was inspired by that to create these to use with this kit. Then you have 3 tie-dye clouds and the sun. And then last but not least, you get a set of tabs. I love that one. It looks like little clouds. And then this is a washi strip, which I need to reprint on a bunch of sticker paper. And then I wanted to show you guys how I'm going to be using, or what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a quick process in my new Happy Notes notebook. So this is from the Happy Planner. My friend Janet, her Instagram's Top Knots and Jesus, was talking about these half-sheet Happy Planners. And I saw them and I thought, oh, this would be perfect for my kits. Now, I mostly use traveler's notebooks, but the size of the pages are around the same. But what's really cool about these is that you can rip the paper out and reorganize it. And so if I wanted to go back and add more pages to a different devotion study, I could. If I want to rip them out and put them on the table to work, I could. So this is a really awesome idea if you like using the traveler's notebook size like I do. And so what I did, this is actually, you'll see I put this Oh Happy Day on sticker paper and added it to this little kind of like a divider. I actually used the packaging. So this is what the notebook came wrapped around in. And I ripped this part off, cut the top, and made it into this. I hot glued down some trim. On the back side, I added a little piece of washi tape to cover the hot glue. And then these are Avery tabs, which I'll link down below for you guys to pick up. And so I can peel this off if I want. So then, depending on where I'm working in my notebook, I can move this around. So I was really excited to make that. And so right now I've only done the Chosen devotion, which is about Queen Esther, and I will link this printable down below. And so I glued and washi taped the devotion in and the Going Deeper questions, and then here I'll have space to respond. So now I'm going to do the same thing using Oh Happy Day in here and kind of set it up to work in. So I am going to put you guys on super fast forward and walk through setting up my Happy Planner half sheets to work in Oh Happy Day. Alright, well, I did not end up filming the whole process. I just didn't. But here's a flip through of what I did on this page. This is going to be like the cover page. So like this is the cover page for Chosen, and I still need to add a tab. This is the cover page for Oh Happy Day. I'm obsessed with how this turned out. I used Illustrated Faith watercolors, and I put Oh Happy Day on sticker paper, and I used a straw, which I now can't find on my desk, to blow the watercolor. So I would dab it down and blow it out, and to create, and then I, at the end, added the sticker, and then I added the tab. I just love how this looks. Then I have the devotion, so I put gelatos on the background and used a baby wipe to smear it, and glued the devotion down. Then I have the going deeper questions, and I just layered some washi on top of it. Then over here I added the 2 clouds on clear sticker paper with Lamentations, and one of the prompts is to read the verse in 2 translations and write them out. So I did that there. And I'll be sure to link the sticker paper I used down below, as well as the adhesives I used down below. I use this planner glue pen, which is my favorite, and then I also use this Tombow permanent adhesive. And then on this back side, I love how this turned out. So I cut out some of the little phrases, so I put my prayer and my season, and I used photo corners, and I just think it looks so cool. So if I wanted to take it out, I totally could. So I love how these pages turned out in my Happy Planner half sheets notebook. And I'm just excited to see what God teaches all of you guys through this devotion. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the Creative Faith YouTube channel, and you guys, don't forget to hit that link down below to get this set for yourself. I'm so excited to see what God is going to do in your life through this devotion. Bye, friends!